Hello, nutrition navigators. Welcome back to Choose Good Food. Today, we're unlocking the power of ripe bananas for rapid digestion. Feeling bloated? Constipated? Ripe bananas are your gut's new best friend. We'll explore how these yellow wonders can alleviate digestive discomfort and get things moving smoothly. Get ready to say goodbye to digestive woes. Let's face it, digestive issues are the worst. Constipation, gas, and indigestion can really put a damper on your day. These problems not only cause physical discomfort, but can also drain your energy and affect your mood. We often reach for quick fixes, but lasting relief starts with what we eat. That's where ripe bananas steal the show. Ripe bananas are nutritional powerhouses, packed with dietary fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals. They are not just a tasty snack, but also a key player in maintaining digestive health. Fiber acts like a superhero, adding bulk to your stool and promoting regular bowel movements. This helps prevent constipation and keeps your digestive system in top shape. But wait, there's more. Ripe bananas contain enzymes like amylase, which help your body break down carbohydrates more efficiently. These enzymes start the digestive process in your mouth, making it easier for your stomach to handle the rest. And let's not forget about potassium, a mineral that supports healthy muscle function in your digestive tract, keeping things running smoothly. Potassium also helps balance fluids in your body, ensuring that your digestive system works harmoniously. So next time you reach for a snack, remember that ripe bananas are not just delicious, but also nature's digestive superheroes. Incorporating ripe bananas into my daily diet has been a game changer. Not only are they delicious and convenient, but they also come with a host of health benefits that I never imagined. I've experienced a significant reduction in bloating and digestive discomfort. It's amazing how something as simple as a banana can make such a big difference in how I feel every day. And guess what? Science backs it up. There are numerous studies that highlight the benefits of bananas for our digestive health. Studies have shown that potassium-rich foods like our beloved bananas can help regulate bowel movements and reduce digestive issues. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Trust me, these aren't just tales from a banana lover. There's real science behind it. So next time you reach for a snack, consider a ripe banana. Your stomach will thank you, and you'll be supporting your overall health with every bite. So, there you have it. Ripe bananas are a natural, delicious, and easily accessible way to boost your digestive health. Their abundance of fiber, digestive enzymes, and essential nutrients like potassium makes them a gut's best friend. Say goodbye to digestive woes and hello to a happier, healthier you with the power of ripe bananas. Have you experienced the digestive magic of ripe bananas? These yellow wonders are not just delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that can aid in digestion and boost your energy levels. Share your story in the comments below. We love hearing how bananas have made a difference in your life. Whether it's a recipe, a health benefit, or just a fun banana fact, your experiences can inspire others. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more incredible health tips. From boosting your immune system to improving your skin, our channel is packed with valuable information to help you lead a healthier life. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content that can benefit you and your loved ones. Remember, you can enjoy ripe bananas in countless ways. Add them to your smoothies, oatmeal, or even bake them into delicious banana bread. The possibilities are endless, and each method brings out a unique flavor. Or grab one for a quick and satisfying snack. Bananas are the perfect on-the-go food, providing a quick energy boost whenever you need it. As always, consult with a healthcare professional if you experience any adverse reactions. It's important to ensure that bananas fit well into your personal dietary needs. Unlock rapid digestion with ripe bananas. Please hit that thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. Ripe bananas can act as a natural antacid, reducing heartburn. They help produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that promotes mood balance. Ripe bananas contain vitamin B6, crucial for metabolizing proteins and producing energy. A balanced diet and healthy lifestyle are key to overall well-being. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables, stay active, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Thank you for joining the banana movement. Until next time, this is your nutrition navigator signing off.